Welcome to BotPenguin. So in today's video, I'm going to explain how you can create drip campaigns for your Instagram bot. So as you can see, this is my Instagram bot here. Click on Instagram automation, then click on drip campaign, give a name to your campaign. Then you need to choose the audience. So you've got two options here. So the first one is new subscriber. So what this means is that whatever new interactions are happening on my Instagram bot, this Trip 1 campaign is specifically for those interactions. The base timeline would be the time of the first interaction. Okay, so let's consider this, that I have got 5 new interactions on my Instagram bot today. So this chat flow will be sent after 15 minutes of each interaction to all those 5 new users who have interacted with my bot today. So this is how it works. So the other option is groups. You can select a group from the already created ones, and then you can pick up a time and date and you can set it here. So this is the base timeline for your drip campaigns. So what this means is whatever you configure, whatever flow you configure and whatever timeline you give here. So this particular flow or message will be sent to your subscribers after 1 minute of this timeline or 10 minutes or whatever value you provide here. Okay, so this is the base of the drip campaign, and on the basis of this timeline, you can configure your campaign here. And likewise, you can add multiple messages or multiple chat flows. And you can just click on create drip campaign. So this is how it is created for your Instagram bot. That's all for today's video.